Yes. So right now we're going to tackle something to do with maximum and minimum numbers. Of course, you know maximum is the largest number, whereas minimum is the smallest number in a certain range of numbers. So we have our numbers here. So we're going to take an example of these numbers, say in the column of mathematics, column E, and then we're going to use the maximum and minimum formula to see how we can find the maximum and minimum values in a certain range of values. So to start with, I will select one of the cell where I will display my answers. So after that, I will go ahead and type equal sign. Then I go ahead and type the maximum function, which is max. Click on it and put the first value. So in this case, the first value is 34, which is E16. I would say 16. Then I will use the range, that's semicolon, and then I'll put the last value, and the last value is going to be E24. E24. After that, now my function highlights each and every value in that column. Go ahead and close the parenthesis. After that, press enter on the keyboard, and then you see that 78 has been suggested as the maximum number. What about minimum? Now the minimum, do the same, type equal sign and type the minimum function, which is min. The minimum will return the smallest number in a set of values and it will ignore all logical values and text. So here, go ahead and open the parenthesis, type the first value, which is E16, use semicolon, and type the last value, which is E24, and then close the parenthesis and then press enter. Then you see 23 will be selected as the minimum value. So now if you have to check manually, you see obviously 78 is the maximum, whereas 23 is the minimum. So now, after knowing this technique, it is now up to you to use this function to perform different calculations and determine what is the largest numbers in your values and the smallest numbers in your values that you're working on. So thank you very much. Let's catch up in the next video for more functions and how to do them. Thank you.